Push-pull legs is probably the most popular split in fitness. And somehow, most people still mess it up. Some people train 6 days a week, recover like garbage, sleep 5 hours, eat protein once every full moon, then ask, why am I not growing? Meanwhile, somebody else trains smarter, recovers better, prioritizes the right muscles, and suddenly looks like he belongs in a superhero movie. So today, let's build the ultimate hero to advanced push-pull legs split. Not for bodybuilding, not for powerlifting, for looking like you actually lift. At the beginning, everything works. Seriously, you could accidentally sneeze near a dumbbell rack and gain muscle. That's how responsive beginners are. The goal isn't optimization. It's building a foundation, learning movement patterns, building discipline, and understanding that leg day is not optional. Yes, I know. Some of you are allergic to squats. Push day starts with incline pressing. Because upper chest is king, 3 sets, 8 to 12 reps. Then shoulder press. Because broad shoulders are basically cheat codes for aesthetics. And of course, lateral raises. Because if I had $1 for every guy who ignores side delts, I'd have enough money to buy an entire supplement company. Pull day, pull-ups, rows, pull-downs, rear delts, biceps. Simple, effective, done. Not 27 exercises, not 90 sets. You're building a physique, not auditioning for a back workout documentary. Legs, squats, Romanian deadlifts, leg press, hamstrings, calves. Because nobody wants to become an upside-down Dorito. Balanced physiques win. After 6 months. Upper chest gets more attention. Side delts get more volume. Lats become a priority. Because aesthetics isn't about growing everything equally. It's about building proportions. Wide shoulders, wide back, small waist illusion. That's what makes people look impressive. Push A, incline press, flat dumbbell press, cable lateral raises, shoulder press, triceps. Pull A, pull-ups, chest-supported rows, rear delts, hammer curls, lat pull-downs, build width, build thickness, build presence. Legs stay athletic. Not bodybuilder huge, not marathon runner skinny. Athletic, powerful, balanced. Now you're 2 years in. Progress is slow, painfully slow. You gain 1 pound of muscle and celebrate like you won the lottery. Because now every gain matters. Training becomes personal. Advanced physiques are built by attacking weaknesses, not copying random influencer programs. Want to know the secret? Most aesthetic physiques are built from side delts, upper chest, lats, rear delts, arms, posture, reasonable body fat. That's basically it. Fitness influencers will try to sell you 20 exercises, but honestly, most people would look dramatically better if they just stopped skipping lateral raises. Push-pull legs isn't magical. It's just sustainable, flexible, easy to recover from, and incredibly effective. When done correctly. Train consistently, recover properly, prioritize aesthetics. And eventually, people stop asking, do you work out? And start asking, how long have you been training?